There are a lot of great meals coming out of our kitchens these days, and if you'd like to change things up a bit at mealtime, you need to look no further than your online device. Hi, this is Patti from the Warren County Library, and today I'll be showing you a few of the most popular cooking and recipe apps available. Regarded as one of the best recipe apps, Yummly offers over 2 million recipes sourced from its test kitchens, food blogs, and other top recipe sites such as All Recipes, Epicurious, and more. It's known for its superior search engine, which enables you to customize your search to your specific diets, allergies, tastes, and preferences. Searching is easy and recipes are easy to follow. Creating a shopping list couldn't be simpler. And you can save your recipes by clicking on the little Yum button. Once saved, you can organize your recipes in your own digital recipe box. Yummly also helps you schedule your meals and even gives you a gentle reminder when it's time to start cooking. You'll see right from the start that Tasty is different. Videos with easy step-by-step instructions are Tasty's recipe approach. Searches can be refined to your personal choices and dietary needs. Recipes and shopping lists can be saved, and you can even order your recipe ingredients direct from Walmart. Don't forget to check out Tasty's useful guides that offer a variety of information on different cooking topics. If you'd like to make some of the recipes from your favorite television cooking shows, this app is for you. It brings your favorite TV chefs and their recipes to your mobile device. The free side of this app allows you access to many Food Network recipes that can be searched by a variety of methods, including by your favorite chef. Ingredient lists can easily be sent to you as a shopping list via text, email, or notes. Or you can send your shopping lists directly to Instacart or Amazon Fresh for purchase. There's even a place on the app to save your favorite recipes. Access the How-To section for useful tutorials on technique, prep, and more. Unfortunately, most classes and shows are only available with the premium subscription, but there are a few available that you can give a try. All of these apps are free and can be found in the App Store and Google Play. Paid subscriptions are available to access different premium features. Have fun exploring the different recipes and cook something new today.